Hi. You know what the problem is? The problem is that a guidance counselor might have 478 students. That's the national average. You know what the solution is? You, the homeschool parent, because with your fantastic one on one relationship with your student, you can be successful in college admission. Hi, my name is Lee Benz, and I'm the home scholar, and my mission is helping parents homeschool high school. I know for many people, that includes being ready for college and navigating the college admission process. I would love to invite you to my next free class, How to Be Your Child's Best College Coach. Space is limited. Make sure that you register. But I want to teach you how to be a guidance counselor for your child. You can be the very best because you have that one on one relationship. Think about how many students you have. Just the one. You can be successful with this job. So I hope that you'll join me for this class. I'm going to teach you how to be perfectly adequate, and then I'm going to teach you how to be totally exceptional. And by the time we're done, you're going to understand that process of getting your child through to the next stage, the stage after homeschooling high school. So please join me again. Space is limited, so you don't want to waste this opportunity. But I'm looking forward to meeting with you, talking with you, and answering your questions at the end. Take care.